Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Nissan Sentra B13. First, gather all your tools like a wrench, drain pan, new oil filter, and fresh engine oil. Make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool to the touch. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, position your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old, dark oil drain completely into the pan. This step is crucial for removing contaminants from your engine. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Reinstall the drain plug with a fresh washer, tightening it securely. Finally, pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil through the filler cap. After adding the new oil, replace the filler cap and check the oil level with the dipstick. Start your engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the filter or drain plug. Top off the oil if needed. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.